look what I got for Christmas. I am super excited about these metallic paints. I did a little swatch test and played around a little bit. I will post that video soon. In the meantime, take a look at these gorgeous paints. It comes in a cute little travel box, and inside is a printed up swatch card. So not completely accurate, but pretty good. A cute little sponge on the side, and one of the travel water brushes, which I do use them occasionally. They're not my favorite brush, but they come in handy in a pinch. The colors themselves are really pigmented. Like I said, I did a swatch video, so I'll talk about that more in that video. The colors themselves are beautiful. I especially love that green color and the pink and the earthy blue. Anyway, stay tuned for the swatch video coming up next. And yeah, thanks for watching, and remember to like and follow. See you soon.